got us two little frozen bags of Nibblers, because Nibblers are kind of sweeter. And it says to simply steam it, but we're just going to cook it with some butter on it in the skillet. I mean, in the pot. I'll just keep it on low. Keep it on low, and then I'll put some butter in it, and he'll be good to go. We may have some of this left over for our supper tomorrow night. And then we're going to put about a tablespoon of butter in our little niblet. And we're just going to keep them stirred. We didn't add any water to them. But you can steam them. We just, not what we chose to do. Turn it up a little bit so it can get to cooking. Okay, let's check this corn. See, it's starting to have some steam. And you just keep stirring it, guys, until it, gets warm through and through. And you can kind of tell when your butter starts melting, because your butter won't melt. See how some of the butter's still, it's not melted because some of the corn's still cold. So you just have to keep stirring it. All right, we'll be back in just a little bit with our finished supper. And our corn is ready. Now I'm letting it cook. Now that it's hot, I'm still letting it cook a little bit, because guys, this is like fresh corn. I mean, it's not like a canned corn. It's delicious. Nice and fresh. But corn doesn't take very long to cook now that it's hot. So I'm gonna just keep stirring it. And we'll be eating just shortly. All right, love you guys. Your plate. Here you go. Oh, she's got her corn, her rice, and her fajita.